Okay. Hello everyone. Today I am excited to introduce JoyVerse, an innovative AI-powered solution designed to transform learning of dyslexic children. I am Vignesh from Group 360, and in the next minutes I will walk you through the problem we are solving, our unique solution, and the technology behind it. Okay. Let's start. Let's start with the challenge. Dyslexic children need tailored education tools that keep them engaged. Something standard games often fail to drive. Many existing options lack real-world personalization and engagement algorithms, leaving kids drawn to platforms like social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, etc. Instead, so we have implemented a strategy that these apps like Instagram approach for keeping users engaged, focusing on how a person reacts to reels and their for fast forwarding of reels. Based on these statistical data, we identify pattern that drive higher engagement on the JoyVerse application, ensuring users are more likely to stay on the platform and be engaged. The business problem and solution. Tailored learning for dyslexia. Dyslexia requires educational interventions that are specifically designed to maintain their engagement and interest. Lack of personalization in games. Existing educational games often do not offer real-time personalization, leading to preference among the children for more engaging platforms like social media sites such as Instagram. Emotion-driven adaptation. JoyVerse introduces a system that adapts games in real time based on their child's emotional state, which enhances their motivation and learning experiences effectiveness. Therapist-led customization. The adjustments made by the system are under the guidance of therapists, ensuring that the interventions are therapeutically appropriate and beneficial for the children. And our scope of the project is real-time game adjustments enable the game to adapt its difficulty, themes, and reward systems based on the child's emotional state, and therapist integration. Ensure that all adjustments are made under the guidance of therapist and to align with the therapeutic approaches and the user engagement. Create an engaging and effective learning environment for dyslexic children. Users. Now we will go to next slide. Users. Who is involved? We have three key users: the child who interacts with the games, the therapist who monitor and progress the guides the experience and analyze the child's report, and the super admin who manages the tech side and database. Together, they form a seamless ecosystem focused on the child's growth. Tech stack. Now let's dive into the tech. Our front end is built with React and Bootstrap for a smooth user experience. The backend runs on Flask and Express servers, handling REST APIs and model inference on a Flask. The AI magic comes from the transformer based on clip model and which analyzes the facial emotions from the real-time video feeds or the images captured while child is playing the game, and a GPT to LM head model for system decision making. Emotions via facial expressions and dynamically adjust the game parameters within the boundaries set by the therapist. And the project overview. The project overview analyzes real-time video feeds of gameplay, detects emotional states via facial expressions, transformer-based model, and dynamically adjusts the parameters, difficulty levels, themes, reward systems, operates within the therapist-defined boundary. Architecture diagram. As you can see, the front end, the child front end and the client's front end are based upon white plus React here. And the server, middleware server is used is Node Express, and the transformer is Clip transformer and the GPT to LM head model, and the database used is MongoDB. Now, when the child is playing the game, the images are dynamically captured and they are sent to the Express server, and the photos are then transferred to the Flask server where the models transformer models exist, and these models analyze the photos and take out the facial expressions, and the facial expressions are transferred to the GPT-LM head model, and the next action that should be taken will be sent to middleware, and based on that the next questions or the theme of the project will be changed, and that will be appeared on the child front end. When we come to the client's front end, the client is nothing but a therapist. The therapist will log in, and then when he click on a child name and click on view results, he will view the results based on the child uh, gameplay, and the result of the gameplay will be stored in the MongoDB. Yeah. And for the last, JoyVerse is more than just a game. It's a bridge to better learning for dyslexic children, powered by AI and guided by care. Thank you for your time. Thank you.